because I am awesome. He's a loser.
So what does he have to do?
So now he has to eat a bowl of mush that I made. Has strawberry jam, yogurt, lemon cookies,
Gross.
Parmesan.
What else?
Ice cream and milk.
That is some serious diarrhea.
Oh my God.
Honey, don't take
Oh,
that.
and a chocolate shell.
Okay.
Okay, it has to get in. If you throw it up after, it's okay.
A shell. Like, I mean a shell? Like a...
No, a chocolate shell.
Okay. What the fuck is this right here? What is that, yo?
Cookies.
That's a fucking cookie?
He said lemon cookies.
And
You had some spaghetti in there? Look at that. Dude, it's so cheap. Oh my God.
no, it needs the baby. We want baby stuff. Baby
Fuck it. This is all I gotta do, right, guys?
Yes,
One spoonful, right?
that's,
Two spoonfuls. And then we'll be
they gotta go straight down.
Oh my God, it's disgusting.
Oh, he's making me sick. This,
You gotta give me some water, please. Like right after.
Is that funny? Oh.
Eat that.
Give me.
That's it? 2 spoons? Make it another one.
No.
Come on.
Ah.
One more.
All right.
No.
Come on.